Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to it, man. Channel 260, straight up and down with the Father, the Maker, Creator, and God of Universe, Lord Nomba, and they're out here with Odwa.
Pop culture scientist, next unicorn, born again, hooligan, bruh.
Yeah,
Before ngiqhubekeke nale rhyme means. Do you think baba as Tina ngosizi adults, is it adults?
Yeah.
Okay, as a person, as a child that grows up that way, do you think that we owe our parents anything? They gave us birth, they gave us life, they gave birth to us, they gave us life. Now we're adults now, we're on our own. We are on our own. Do you think that we owe them anything?
Bro, I think sina dead to our parents too.
Okay.
We do have it there too. Each generation be existed before. For opportunities that was provided there that shaped us to be in positions eskuzo ngoko. Yeah, but whether lona uzayibona bana ke through izinto ezinjenge black tax and yonke lana. Yabo, because abantu mhlamba ngakubona le giant as le giant uyiyo, forgetting that you're standing on his shoulders of abantu abaninzi. Not saying bana funeka ulenuka abantu bakowenu bona mabafeel entitled into whatever no accumulate kanye thina. But
Success.
yeah, there's a lot of ilenuka parent zininzi sacrifices eyayizenze for umntana. Uyabona la we and umntana
Irresponsibility kabani le in the first place.
yangabo la we because the decision to procreate.
When you didn't put in any
Anything.
application
to
be born, to be brought into this world.
Yeah.
So obligation yakhe le mabe irresponsibility.
I-purpose kaQamata umveli ngqa.
Okay.
So umveli ngqange la way for a purpose yakhe to be realized, he needed families la way. Apho ke nguzawuvela i-expression yayo, i-seeds zakhe out of parents.
Okay.
So ke ngoku necessary for i-generation evele kuqala ilungiselela indlela for i-generation elandelayo. If usuka from umnombo ongathathi intweni, funeka ukwazi ujonga mva ubone apho unoncedisa khona upetshe uthini then move forward.
So if failure yakho now irresponsibility yami ngoku. When you couldn't build a house, right? Now you just failed as a parent now. So now it's my responsibility now to make sure baba when you fail as a parent now, I carry on.
No,
I take everything on my shoulders.
Look dog, mna ndithi la way une-dad bone uyizisa kum ne. Of late la we have been thinking a lot about ilenduka childhood which was amazing. Growing up la way a lot was provided for him now. I had fun. You know, coming up as a kid, yabona, education, happiness, warmth.
Yeah.
And yonke lo way le. So I feel like I do owe it that to indlela endandikhuliswe ngayo le wallet. Apho lingenazo izinto ezithile. I should chip in every now and then. I think ndimlenuka happiness for his sacrifices wayezenzele.
Happiness.
Happiness.
But the true happiness comes from within. You cannot rely on other people to provide happiness. If you're not happy you cannot be made happy by another person.
Okay, and improve the situations akuzo so that yena azokwazi ufumana inner peace.
Hayi,
Susa nje frustrations and everything. Yeah, but from kuwe.
The word
now what do you think?
The word, first of all, the word dead, it seems like now it's an obligation. Like, because the word dead means that when you did something,
okay,
you willingly did something. You borrowed or you took or you bought something, and now you are left with this dead.
Yeah,
but ube wena akhange wenze nix wena.
Okay.
To ba mabene dead on your shoulders.
I hope lunithithileyo ne ayibonakali as an attempt. Yibona masireward i-failure ye-parenting. Yabo okanye masireward i-parents. Just as you have rightly put, yobana that failed. But must be parents and prepare for a future generation yazo. So now that umntu efumene izinto so maka reward we back.
Yeah.
Yabo anyone owenze lo way leyo they deserve bana bafumane what's coming to them.
Yazi, you made something mentioned something about like a midget that is standing on top of shoulders
giant.
of a giant, can see further than the giant.
I did not say that, but we are chongokwen.
No,
That statement.
ndayilanduka la way ndayishwangathela. Anyone that's we're standing on top of his shoulders
Zabanye abantu,
as
yeah.
abanye abantu that came before us, which
Yeah.
is true. And also we're swimming we rivers that are filled with the tears zabanye
Zabanye
abantu.
abantu, yeah.
We're not I'm personally not downplaying Londole.
Yeah.
Abanye abantu, they sacrificed, they did a lot for abantu, but does not mean that we owe them anything.
Okay.
It was their choice. It's a choice to have intercourse. Right? It's a choice to
Yeah.
make sure bangaba uzisa umntana emhlabeni.
Sure.
Unless baba you were raped.
Okay,
Unless
okay,
we are raped.
okay,
There are
okay.
certain circumstances. But if baba now you decide to start a family, now you choose to have this partner, now you're gonna have a family. Now it was your choice. That kid did not agree, Londole. That is why that nigga sued
Okay.
Abazal Bayo for bringing him into this world without the
Yeah.
consent.
I see,
So-
Otto, where you coming from, eh?
I come from Unique. You see Unique.
Damn. There's no way in hell I will see such an inferior place.
Let me finish my point. And Younger Ndole, with all that said, I
Kidding.
believe that Baba, we should help Apple Squads Nceda Khona.
Yeah.
But it should not be an obligation. It should not be like that you suppose, as we put it, like a debt that we have to pay. Up until when we're gonna pay this debt?
Yeah. No, I fully agree with when not that I see your point. Mani ngathi I fully agree with when. I see your point. And in the thing way, how about in the elevator way to the next and say bana kids shouldn't pay for procreation that was informed by ego yak. Because you're hearing a lot of about it, but no, I want to have 10 kids. No, I want to see bana.
Myself
Funa-
included.
Yeah, but oh yeah.
Myself included.
Okay.
I want many kids.
Very soon, the cow's gonna come home, love. We're gonna get a lot of podcasts and mixtapes. But nyala we abantu abaninzi. Bona lawe xa uchekishile kwindawo that are poverty stricken. Abantu bakhona they have loads and loads of kids. Yeah, but because baba nestructures and they have ilenduka intercourse that were led into lowele. And abanye abantu they procreate, they go out of their way to have as much kids as they can just because of ego. Nothing else.
Ndakuva mfethu ndakuva le wayithethayo.
It doesn't stop here, bruh. If Umdu disagrees with any and everything that we happen to touch on this show, on the comment section on YouTube, there's a platform we're gonna engage you.
Yeah.
If lawe mhlambi kukwinto ophikisana nayo kodwa, go to our YouTube page, select FuseZA, go to the specific episode. Kulo ndo kama ndisafika kwi-headings zethu. Bro.
Yeah.
Then lawe raise the argument yako and we will gladly engage you.
And here we're here to keep it straight up and down.
and
We
down.
keep it thorough. Yo, bro, before we see Vamuze up in the building,
Yeah.
before we Tinacha,
Oh.
parting words?
Oh yeah, I have, bro. People swear, bro. People swear. You just need to get over Londole. Not so long ago, Beguko Eza awards as the actors. Then he out to Warren. He won the best actor, yes. Then out of excitement on the stage, he happened to say a swear word. Then Aban Wabaku hala balu for me. How dare you say this on live TV? No, we expected so much from him. But the same people who are doing that, if kileke icangwe nokanyathini into azithethayo, okanye abantwana bakhe abana 6. People swear, bruh. But the intention behind doing a Londole is not to offend anyone. If someone happens to mention a swear word in a sentence describing a state of positivity, okanye yolondu, just get over yourself.
Seriously, like, we're out of here.
Straight up and down, channel 260. Catch us next week, Thursday, 6:30 until 7. I'm the Father, the Maker, the Creator, God of the universe.
I'm out / Peace.